So about a week ago, I did this video right here, the 3 best monthly paying stocks to buy in April 2025, and it took off. We have close to 1,000 views in about 6 days, and the 3 companies we went over was O Realty, Gladstone Capital, and Main Street Capital, and all really great companies to add to your portfolio long term. They have been paying out monthly dividends solid for many years and many years to come as well. But today, we are going to give you 3 more companies because you guys asked for it. And we're going to be using our Robinhood app here. As we get into it, you are going to see some differences. If you are long term watching my channel for a while, you'll see that we go from day trading on the WEBULL app to also long-term investing on Robinhood, and as well as a variety of other applications or platforms. So any platform you use, it doesn't matter. You can still buy into these companies. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys. We have 3 solid companies we're going to talk about today. SPHD, which is of course Invesco's S&P 500 high dividend low volatility ETF. They're paying right now a 3.5% dividend yield, and it is a monthly paying stock. Now this basically tracks the overall NASDAQ, or I'm not the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, right? So there's 500 stocks in their holding. And what's great about it is it shows here in Robinhood the sectors, right? So 20% of their holdings is real estate, 18% is consumer defense, 8% is healthcare, so on and so forth, okay? Top 10 holdings, Altria, okay? That's a cigarette company. 3.5%, Crown Castle, CCI, 3.5%, Verizon, VC, Properties, Realty Income, AT&T, Pfizer, Philip Morris. Oh, okay, so several companies there. Now, some of their key statistics here. They have a high, 52-week high of $51.82. So a really nice price to buy right now. They have a low, a 52-week low of $42. So right there at that nice low, sitting at $46 per share currently. Their PE ratio is nice. It's right there about 16. Now remember, you don't want a PE ratio that's crazy high. You know, anything over 50 is a little bit exaggerated, and you don't want a negative PE ratio. Okay, I want you guys to know that. We're going to be giving you guys some knowledge while we're doing these Saturday dividend series videos, right? I love Saturdays. The stock market's closed. We're not day trading or swing trading right now. So we're going to focus on how we can build your account with monthly paying income. It would be nice to add some of these companies to your portfolio, whether you're a long-term investor, a day trader, a swing trader, or you're just getting started, because it allows you the ability to make monthly income. You are able to see your returns on a monthly basis, and you end up in a way getting that instant gratification every month by knowing, hey, I'm solid investing into my future, but I'm also seeing a little bit of that come back to me right away. I don't have to wait till I'm 65 or to dip into my 401k, or wait 100 or wait 20, 30 years to actually start benefiting from this investing. Okay, you can start making monthly profits literally starting declaration date January 14th for SPHD. You can see their 30-day yield is 4.5%, small expense ratio, but guys, you can see that this company is pretty solid. In 1 month it is down about 6%, so a great price point to pick it up from. 1 year it's up 7%, but look at this massive drop. At one point it was up 19% on the year. Looking at the 5-year, it's up 57% in 5 years, guys. So not only is it appreciating over time, but you're also getting that monthly paycheck, monthly dividend going into your bank account every single month, okay? Now, there's also other programs where you could do dividend reinvestment, where you're just buying more shares of the company that is paying out the dividend. They're just buying into more pieces of that pie. So with that said, guys, an ex-dividend date is going to be March 24th, so we may have just missed that. Pay date March 28th. They are paying 13 cents per share, okay? So 3.5% dividend yield. That is... Oh, sorry about that. That is $1.63 a year, okay, per share on SPHD, and they do pay monthly, guys. They've been paying monthly for a very long time. Every single month they pay out So I just want you guys to know that 12 paychecks on this one company every single year. Okay, so now moving on to STAG Industrial. All of you who don't know, STAG Industrial is ticker symbol STAG. They are a real estate investment company. Okay, so what they do basically is they're a real estate investment trust, which is a REIT. And for all of you who don't know, real estate investment trusts have to pay out 90% of their profits to their shareholders, like you and me. So this particular company, it's in the industrial sector. So they have a portfolio that consists primarily of warehouses, distribution centers, and light manufacturing facilities. Okay, they have 91 employees. They're in Boston, Massachusetts, and they have a 52-week high of $41, a 52-week low of 28. So kind of in the middle there at $31. They got a P ratio of 30, which is great. I like to see that. And a dividend yield, this one's saying a 4.72%. This one online is saying 4.5%. And stock analysis is saying 4.72. So they are a monthly paying company. Okay, they pay $1.48 per year per share. And right now they're paying 12 cents a share. So the next dividend date here would be ex-dividend would be April 30th to pay out on May 15th. Okay, so if you get in before April 30th with this company, you can receive some dividends moving into May. All right, so looking at the 3 month, it's down about 3%, nothing too crazy. 1 year, okay, let's look at that 1 year, it's down 15%. So we can say this has an opportunity to make some decent money being at highs of $40, $41. Okay, if we look at the 5 year, it's actually up 40%, guys. So the fact that it's down about 15% on the year isn't too crazy. Overall, it's up 40%. It's even had highs of 114% profit in this last run up here, okay? So in 5 years, you can make 40% on your money plus get a monthly paycheck, a monthly dividend for owning this company. So you have $1,000, you make $400 over the 5 year period. This is just an example. And then you get to get those monthly dividends from however many stocks, $1,000 would in fact allow you to buy. So, say you have 100, so it'd be maybe like 25, 30, maybe 30 shares, okay? And every month they're paying you out 30 shares worth of dividends, okay? And you could do 1,000, you could do 5,000, 10,000, whatever you want. You could do $100. Start with $10. Okay, the point, buy one share just to get started if you're new here. All right. Now moving on, last but not least, Apple Hospitality. And as we go on, guys, these videos are going to get a little bit more fine-tuned. We're going to refine them. We're going to make them so much better. This is our second video of our Saturday dividend series. We do a Sunday stock talk every Sunday where we go over the overall direction of the market, crypto, as well as our trades that we're looking to take for the week, okay? And then Monday through Friday, I day trade live with our Learn to Earn team at Market Open. You guys can tune in 100% free. All that I ask is that you subscribe to the channel, right? If you find value, smash that like button. And that's really it, guys. Everything's 100% free here. Don't charge you guys anything. I don't promote anything. And I'll never tell you what to buy, hold, or sell on this channel. Okay, this is all just education and knowledge that you can kind of learn as you get started. So, with that said, Apple Hospitality REIT, APLE. Not many people talk about Apple Hospitality REIT. They are real estate in the hotel and resort sector. Okay, now they own a large portfolio of hotel properties, and get this, known brands like the Hilton, the Marriott, the Hyatt. We're talking about really solid companies here, and this company is down right now 27% on the year, but get this, it's up over 57% even with that downfall in 5 years. At one point before it fell off here due to recent news and economic conditions, it was up 120%. At all-time highs, it was up 153%. Imagine getting 153% in 5 years on your investment plus a monthly paycheck on top of it. We're talking about, geez, 200% return here. Okay, APLE is the winner, and I've actually owned this company for quite some time, a little longer than 5 years actually. I've owned this back here in 2019, even 2018 was $15, $16. Bought some more when it came down to $9, $8, $10, $11. And guess what, guys? We're right there again. So this company is solid. It has a really great portfolio focusing on, select service and upscale hotels, which balance operational efficiency with high customer demand. Okay, revenues from room rentals aren't going anywhere, with its properties located in high traffic marketplaces, business hubs, urban centers, tourist destinations, and not a lot of people talk about Apple Hospitality. APLE, we've been investing in this company since like 2016. They've been around since 2007. They have a dividend yield right now of 8%. 8% dividend yield. I know you guys see it right there. Online is saying 8.81%. Monthly, they're paying $1 per share. $1 a share. That's almost 10% a year in dividends, plus you're getting that sweet appreciation as it continues to go up. Okay, not a lot of people are talking about this. So now March 31st was their last dividend date for the quarter. They'll be announcing this next run of dividends. They're paying out 8 cents, 8 cents per share. And if you get into this, if you are into this already, you'll get paid on April 15th. So now what's great about this company is it's had a 52-week high of $16.50 for this year alone and a low of $11.03. Well, we are at an extreme low. This could be the area where we decide we want to load up and get that sweet appreciation from buying at $11.50, pushes up to $16. We're literally making $4.50, $5 per share as this begins to go up. And get this, as it's going up, we're getting monthly dividends. Every single month, we're getting paid dividends per share. It has a 12.93 PE ratio. I like that. Again, it's not negative. It's not over exaggerated in the hundreds or 200s. Remember, we don't want PE ratios above 50, but we don't want them negative either. All right. Dividend yields very solid, a lot of volume. Analysts right here are rating it. 57% of analysts are saying it's a hold right now through this time, and there's quite a few saying to buy. It's solid. I think this company is solid. It's not going anywhere. There's going to be a lot of travel. There's going to be a lot of people who are wanting to get out this summer. Wintertime, it's a little different for travel. Sure, all the news with tariffs and all this stuff, but it's not going to stop people from traveling and doing their summer vacations and trips. So I'm excited, guys, to start this new series with you all. This is the Robinhood app. If you're interested in downloading the app, reach out to a friend, reach out to a family member, someone who may already have the app, ask them to send you a link, and you will both get free shares. I used to promote this, used to get a ton of free shares when people signed up. I'm not so much into the promoting of it now anymore, but if you want a link and you don't know anyone, reach out to me through Instagram or Discord, and I'll send you a link, guys. You'll get a bunch of free shares for signing into this Robinhood application. Do not get into Robinhood for your first time without using a link. It's like it's like wasted money, right? I've seen people make $20 when they first sign up, $100 when they sign up on bonus shares when they first get started. Imagine waking up, having $100 to use, and being able to sell it, use it, or even start your trading journey. So again, I'm excited about this series. If you're not familiar with the channel, we have over 1,000 videos now that you can watch, all related to not only dividend investing, but swing trading, day trading, as well as a lot of great other content. I'm giving you 40 to 50 new videos every single month, and we just crossed over 500,000 views. So join us, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you all in tomorrow's Sunday Stock Talk. And I'm excited. That is a live event, so join us and ask some questions, share a company with me that you might want to have reviewed on the channel, and I'd be happy to do that for you tomorrow. You guys have a great day. Enjoy your Saturday, And yeah, let's remember, guys, make wise decisions when investing, do your own research, and let's end the year on a green note.